Before we get started with this giveaway video, I just want to say thank you to everybody that commented, that entered, as well as thank you to everyone who has liked, commented, subscribed, supported me through this journey. I appreciate everything. And with that, let's go ahead and get this giveaway completed and let's get the winners announced. So first we have 3 prizes. They're up here. We have the main prize, Chaos Motorsports Active Exhaust Elite Kit for Challengers and Chargers. We have the silicone license plate frame. Then we have this thing we haven't really talked about. So first, let's talk about the Active Exhaust Kit because that is the main prize, and that is one that you can kind of guess who won based on the weight reveal video it just released the other day, and seeing everyone's comments, even though I did turn those comments off. So I want to make sure nobody goes in, tries to comment too late, or edits their comment. But what I did do is immediately, right after midnight, May 1st, or actually it was May 2nd. So it was after the entry closing time. I went to my YouTube app and did a screen recording where I scrolled through everybody's entries. And so I am going to roll that clip right now.
All right, so here we pulled up my giveaway video. And let's go ahead, go to the comments and filter. Let's go to newest first. We're going to sort it by newest first. By the way, this Funky Street, his comment, we're going to address that a little bit later. But I will just say, no, I did not tell anybody my actual weight at the big showdown. All right, so we got Catalyst 99, my guess, 38.45. Funky Street never did make any guess. JB 39.60, Swayze 38.60. Caleb 37.20, Car Wash Power Brake 38.05, Arnold Leal 37.45, M Clevenger 37.50, Scat Pack Shaker 6.4 38.90, Kyle Nance 37.20, CCW 13.20 37.30, Mopar 392 Scat. He did not. Oh, actually, let's go back. He replied, did the guess in the other comment 36.45. Batscat 392, 39.10, William Cook 38.95, Sep 44.55, 36.50, 297 Mods 38.15, Shock Trooper 66, 38.55, John F 38.95, Challenger 13.20, 38.45. Thank you, Michael Petricelli 37.60, Dave Vaught 35.60, Mike Mashad 36.75, Kudatelli Garibay 38.30. Let's check the replies. Nothing else. Okay. Philip Gertler 39.60, and he had another comment. I don't think there were any guesses there. Nope. Hellraiser going with the Price is Right method. Shannon Taylor 4018. Glock Moder 37.20, Destroyer 13.20, 34.50, Robert Eden 38.35, Charlie Chuck 38.10, Rich Homie 39.45, Mimi 38.55, Anthony Wellborn 3800, Forshaken 37.40, Jerry 13.20 with 38.40. Mark Swanson, I did not see this. He replied to a reply, but he guessed 36.35. That's why we checked the replies. Mopar Superstar first said 3600s, and I was like, hey, you gotta get some more specific. And then he came back with 3650. And then the very first commenter, first guess, was Shane with 3965. Okay, now really quick, before we continue on, I just want to address this comment. So, Funky Street, if I met you, cool. Honestly, I don't know. I don't remember. I've met a few people out there. Didn't always get their names or YouTube names. But again, I did not tell anybody my weight. I even had, when I was at the scale, there were a few people at the ticket booth, the time booth behind me, and it was like, what, probably 30 yards behind me. There's no way they could see the scale number, and they yelled out like, hey, what do you weigh? And this is why I told them, because that was part of my recording. So let me just play that clip right now, and this is how I responded to that.
That's a secret until I put the video out. I'm gonna have people guess on it.
So as you can see, even then I knew I was gonna do this, so I wasn't telling anybody the weight. Now, I didn't know what to do with this comment And in the end, I decided not to acknowledge it. This is why, because the thing that really threw me off is when Funky Street, when you came in and said, someone's extremely close and within 10 pounds. If I replied to that comment, it would have given an unfair advantage to anybody commenting after, or really to anybody to go in and edit their response. Because if I had said, you know what, yeah, you're right, somebody is within 10 pounds, but hey, lucky guess or whatever, well, guess what? That would tell anybody that they can go through the list and they know that no one's guessed it, but every guess is within 10 pounds. They can narrow it down. If I came back and said, well, actually, no, nobody's actually within 10 pounds, well, that would have done the same thing, because then someone could have gone in and saw all the replies and looked at the numbers and be like, I know none of these are right, and none of them are within 10 pounds. And you can rule out quite a bit with that. And that definitely would have given you an unfair advantage. And I wanted to say that because that's kind of proof, like, I did not tell you the weight. And just to prove that point, he had said somebody guessed within 10 pounds, and that's not true. Nobody guessed within 10 pounds. Now, I'm not saying I didn't talk to you. I might have talked to you. I might have thrown some generic weight number or something out. If I did, it would have been something way off or jokingly or something. I would not have revealed the actual number because I was planning on doing this giveaway. So
Okay, and we're back. So now that we saw exactly all the comments with the weights, let's go ahead and announce the winner. So what I did is I wrote down every single person with their guess. And if you go in here, we can actually sort this, or shuffle, but we went ahead and sorted it out so we can see Hellraiser, 1 pound. But if we scroll through here, our weight was 3,775. So everybody here is over and they lose because, again, the rule was get as close as you can without going over. And so right here's a breaking point. And so here we go. Michael Petrocelli, congratulations. You have won the Active Exhaust Delete Kit. Hope you can use it. Go ahead, contact me via email, here on YouTube, Instagram. You can DM me on there. I'm Scavenger1320 everywhere. On Facebook, I have a Facebook page. My email is scavenger1320@gmail.com. And I'll put that in the description for all the winners. Contact me so I can get these mailed out to you. Now we know who won the Active Exhaust Delete Kit. Now we need to give away the silicone license plate frame. And again, what I said was everyone who took a guess and entered is in the drawing. So we have this site pulled up called Wheel of Names. And whatever you add in this list adds in a spot on the wheel. We tap it to spin it. Whoever wins, wins. So let's go ahead and first of all, let's shuffle the list. And there we go. And let us tap. And this is for the silicone license plate frame. There we go, Scat Pack Shaker 6.4. Congratulations, you have just won the silicone license plate frame. It's the same frame I have on my car. It's awesome. They come in handy. So again, message me and I will get that mailed out to you. Now, last but not least, let's talk about this guy. It is a 1/18 scale 2006 Chevy Camaro. And now you're thinking, why do I have a Chevy Camaro? Well, I would never in my life buy one of these. And actually that comes in where my name Scavenger comes from. I scavenge, I scrap, I do auctions, I resell, and I even do storage unit auctions. So if you'd ever seen a show Storage Wars, that's basically what I did. No, I've never been on a show, but you get the idea. And this came out of a storage unit. I had this, I don't want it, so I figured I'd give it away. And now what I decided to do, because we all know Chevys are slow. They're the biggest loser. So I thought, let's go ahead and take that and get the biggest loser. I'm trying to say that nicely. Or in other words, let's take the person that has the furthest guess away from the correct weight. The person who lost the biggest. Now, I couldn't announce that in the giveaway video because if I did, somebody could have just gone in the comments and guessed 1 million pounds and then automatically won. That'd be no fun. The fun is not knowing how you win it. But we do have a crazy winner, and I'm sure you already guessed it. The Hellraiser guessed 1 pound. Yep, he went with the Price is Right style, and it proves that that Price is Right trick actually works. Because of that guess, he was 3,774 pounds off from the actual weight. So being the furthest off, just like a Chevy. And so congratulations, the Hellraiser, on your victory of a Chevy Camaro. And actually, I'm kind of glad. It's nice that you won it because you are a Chevy person too. So if you haven't seen the Hellraiser actually has his own channel. He's got a badass Hellraiser wide body. But next to it, he's got a 25th anniversary TA. And it's actually a pretty nice car. I talk trash all the time, but that is a nice car. So check out his channel. Hopefully you will appreciate that. So contact me and I will get that mailed out to you. And that is the results giveaway. This was my first time doing this. I've never done a giveaway before. It went pretty cool. I had, I think, 37 entries in the end, which is really awesome. I never expected to grow to this point. Now, obviously, we're not at 1K yet. Hopefully, we get there. But thank you, everyone, for supporting me, for watching. I'll try to keep pumping out as good of videos as I can. I know I don't have the best, highest quality, but I'm working on it. We'll see what we can do, and I'm just going to keep documenting everything I do with this car. We're going to document everything with it. All my racing, all my further weight reduction. I got lots of plans, and I don't get rid of cars quickly. Like, I'll probably have this car for 20 years, or probably till I die, so you'll get 20 years of content for this car. I'll throw in some other things too. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, or don't. This is just a results video. I don't know how long this will be out or why anyone would even keep watching it. So we will see you in the next one. Peace.